I can hear you, yes.
Okay. So any update on getting
Yes,
your
I can
demo?
hear you.
Okay, perfect. So any one of you got a chance to get your demo? Any one of you who wants help on that? Guys.
I
Yes.
quite didn't understand the question. Need help on the demo in the sense.
Demo in the sense like this, environment like this. You see my screen
Oh,
here? I'm there in a demo environment.
we were supposed to do something yesterday.
I think on the day one, didn't I? Okay, if not, that's totally fine. So follow with me, guys. Everyone go to this website called developer.servicenow.com. All of you, I hope you are connected to your laptop. Can you please access this website? developer.servicenow.com. Everyone on the same page?
Yes, I am now.
Okay, thank you. Others? Guys, you want me to paste the URL in the Zoom chat? I think that will also help. So let me help you with that. Yeah. Everyone, please click on that. Anyone, if not done, please let me know and then I'll tell you the next step. I'm really sorry. Once done with it, then what I want you to do is, I want everyone, please do this. Click on sign up and start building.
So we just need to fill our credentials, like open an account, or that's what
You have to
it's.
create the account.
Okay.
So I want all of you to start this step and let me know once it is complete. It'll hardly take a few minutes. So guys, please try to do that now.
I'm on a page which says start building.
You clicked on this, sign up, start building. Then you will get a screen where you will have to enroll yourself.
Yes, it
You'll have
sends
to
me
fill
an
in
email.
all these.
And I got the email, just verify, and it signs you in.
Perfect. When you are in, do you see a button over there, start building or
Yes.
request a instance like that? Please click on that.
Start building button asks me to select 4 slides. Tokyo, San Diego.
So please pick up San Diego.
It says no instances available.
Others, okay, you mind sharing your screen, please?
You cannot start screen share while other participants.
I've done that. Please try now.
Yeah, actually yesterday I was trying, so it gave me in the waiting list, and today it gave me the link and password.
Okay.
This is what I am on.
So you are here. Okay, click on Tokyo. So click on San Diego. No, do San Diego. And
Sorry.
Go back to that side again.
What am I supposed
At the bottom, scroll down.
to do?
Yeah. Close. Others also done that? Everyone on the
I
same
don't
page?
see. It didn't give me. It just said thank you for creating an account, but it didn't send anything to my email.
No. So after creating the account again, log into that.
I just
Anyone wants to share screen? Olivia, you want to share screen? You need help, correct? Share screen, please.
Give me 1 second.
wait listed for an instant. Okay.
Yeah, I think you already have the instance, is it? It says waking up your instance for you. Olivia, you had already requested the instance in past. Can you hear me? I think it's Ramesh who is sharing the screen.
Yes.
Yeah, Ramesh. I can
Yes.
see, yeah, you already have the instance, so it is just coming up. Yeah, you can stop sharing. Olivia, you want to share your screen?
It's not. You said the website is called developer.servicenow.com, correct?
Yeah, share your screen, I can help you.
Okay, let me share my screen so you can see what I'm saying. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah. So it's giving you some error.
Yeah.
Remove /def at the end of it. Can you see at the end of the website, it's written /def. Get rid of it, please.
It just opened for me not too long ago. I signed in with my name.
Developer.servicenow. Remove everything and again type developer.servicenow.com. Just copy what I've pinged in the chat window, please.
Let me do that.
Just click on that URL. In the chat, it's coming as a URL. So if you click on it, it will directly open that URL. Yeah, over here. Now you need to go ahead, sign in your account. Have you already created the credential? It looks like, yeah.
Yeah.
It requires verification. Click on verify and an email will be sent it to you. You'll have to enter that. You'll have to click on that email.
So the email has been verified.
Now again, go to the website which I pinged in the chat window. Again, click on it. Yes, click on yes. Next. Everyone follow what we are doing over here. Select every role. Developer, designer, IT admin, all the three. Then at the bottom, I have read, yeah.
So you said for this, I have to sign in once a month or every day?
Every day once.
So you have to
Click
log
on
into
start.
this every day.
Yeah.
And if you don't do, what
Not this one,
happens?
not this one, the demo URL which will get out of this, the dev sum number. Click on start building and scroll it up. Select San Diego, the second one. Don't select Tokyo, it's still not stable. And go down and click on join waitlist.
So we're on the waiting list now.
Yes, once that is done, you will get a demo URL. You'll be reading dev sum number. So what they're
That's
talking
maybe
about, they're
later
talking about this.
later tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what they're talking about logging in once in a day into that demo URL, that dev sum number. That's what you need to do. Anyone else facing any issue, guys?
Yeah,
May I
I'm
know who
getting-
has joined? Okay, thank you. May I know who has joined us 6678?
This is Abby.
Yeah, hi Abby. Can you please edit your name?
Sorry?
You will have option to change your name in the meeting because yeah, it's confusing
Okay.
to remember name like that.
I'll do that.
Okay, thank you. So anyone else, guys? Is it done for
It is
everyone?
my
Anyone?
screen, I think, right? I
Sorry,
shared my
right?
screen.
Yeah, please go.
Okay.
Yes, I done.
Okay.
Which one you want me to select? This one?
I wanted to select the first one. Yes.
Okay. And then start building, right?
Yep.
You want me to select this one, San Diego?
Yeah.
I think I selected. It's not coming anything, right? Or join waitlist?
Join waitlist.
Okay. We'll email you once in instance.
So
Can I close it, right?
close. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone else facing issue on that?
I think automatically it will enable, right?
Yeah, you will get an
The
email
instance is
as I
available.
said. Yeah.
Start building is enabled, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I am also waiting list, Saloni.
But you are there on that page, correct?
Yeah.
Anyone else stuck over there? Guys, everyone on the same page? Can you guys please confirm me?
I'm on the wait list. I've made a request, so that's the status of mine.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. Anyone else?
So actually, I requested for Rome, but I will upgrade it to Tokyo.
You can upgrade it.
San Diego.
San Diego.
Yeah.
Because if you use Rome, from Rome to San Diego, there is too much of the UI change. So that's why I was very much specific with your San Diego thing. Okay. So that's that. Everyone on the same page? So then let's proceed. So yesterday, if you remember, guys, I told it to you that in today's session, we will be beginning with understanding these key applications. What all those are, and when I say these are key application, it means what? It means at any given point in time, whenever we are doing the configuration and whatnot, we need to understand key applications are nothing but they are the primary application. They are the major applications which the customers are using, and that's what I'm saying, that correct? So when said so, what we need to understand is we need to understand the purpose of all this. As I said, that initially we will use it, our understanding, we'll build our understanding to understand the purpose as an admin or as a customer, I would say rather, why will I use the tool? And then we'll proceed further with it. So let's see that. So first thing first, which we need to understand is the incident application. Anyone have you used incident? I think someone said that you're using it as a customer,
Yes,
correct?
I
Please
have
help me.
incident and change, but my change requests sounds different from
Oh,
yesterday.
that's okay. The change, leave it. Yeah. What is incident? Can you please help me with that?
So let's say I had a password issue. I put in the service now front end portal. We create a request which goes to our own company's help desk team that they receive for password reset or things like that. So an incident is just where you make a request for passwords or application issues, or it's reaching help desk for any help you need with the technology and tools.
So when you say help, is it like a new request or how is it?
No, it's a password. I locked my computer 3 times attempt I've made. I locked my computer. So either I can use self-service or I could, we get a portal, we go to the portal and make a request. So it's an issue where they can unlock your account, things like that. So incident is something, I would say it's not a new request. It's an existing application and you have trouble with it. So they'll help you sort it out.
Perfect. Thanks for that. So yeah, correct you are. That is if I take you to the next slide. Incident means something has stopped working. You're facing certain kind of issue. That's the time you're going to raise an incident. So who will be creating it? What's the scope of it? Let's talk about that. So what do we need to understand over here in this particular one up is that at any given point in time, if I'm saying that incident, it is every employee, like all of us, let's say all of us, we work for the same company. When all of us, we work for the same company, we need to understand it could be possible that one of us is facing certain issue. Like very simple example, let's say as you helped me with that, okay, my password, I need to reset for certain application, or other could be, let's say today I am not able to log in into the website where I can see my employee's salary or any such kind of issue, anything which is interruption in the service which you use, if it is not working as desired, applications which you use in your company is not working as desired, is the time when you will be going ahead and creating an incident. So incident means when something has stopped working, when something needs our attention. Now, when said so that, okay, something is interrupted, who all should be authorized to create an incident, guys? Anyone, any idea around that?
I think admins will create the incident, right? I think anyone can create the incident and they will assign it to appropriate people, right?
That's how it is with us, that anybody can create it on a portal, but it goes to the help desk team. So I guess I think it's anybody can create an incident.
I think it
Perfect,
depends
thanks.
on the requirement. If, for example, users are unable to log into the system, maybe that is the SAP or something, they will assign it to SAP people like that, right?
Yeah, assignment is different, but creation, who will be able to do that?
Help desk team and us. I mean, like somebody mentioned, if I can't log into the portal itself was down, I call the help desk team and they would log the incident for me.
So what happens in that particular case is that I can say, if I generalize it, I can say that everyone in the company are allowed to create an incident.
Developers and administrators.
So I can repeat. You said developers, admin, and Navash, was it you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please repeat?
Developer and
Developer.
administrator create the instance.
So incident is something which everyone can create. A regular employee also. Let's say, even the simplest example, let's say the person who is sitting on the help desk, the person who guides you, everyone in the company will be able to create an incident for themselves. Okay. So we need to understand incident is the only application, or I would say not only, it will be too specific. Rather, I will say incident is one of the application which everyone in the company will be able to say. Okay. Now, first thing first, it arises as one of you said that, okay, let's say my laptop has crashed. When that happens, will I be able to create the ticket on my own? No, I'll not be. So how will I create the ticket in that case?
Call the support team.
Perfect. That is, at any given point in time, what we need to understand is that whenever we are doing the configuration and whatnot, we need to understand that whenever we are doing the configuration, if suppose I'm not able to access the tool, yeah, I call the IT support desk and they have to create the ticket on behalf of me. So there are scenarios when I'll not be creating the ticket on my own, rather asking someone to create it on behalf of me. So that's what that is about. Now, once you create the ticket, now help me with that. Once I create the ticket, is it mandatory for me to know which team will fix the issue? We will see even the lifestyle. I just want to prepare a base for you. Life cycle also will cover that for you. So once the incident is created, let's say I'm the end user, let's say my laptop has crashed or whatsoever, like for whatever issue I'm creating the ticket, is it mandatory for me to know who will fix my issue?
Mandatory, I would say it is important to know for the person if I create a ticket as to what's happening. So yes, I would like visibility in seeing
No,
what's happening.
visibility in seeing is different. Like, who will fix the issue? Do I, like, let's say I have to create a ticket. So is it mandatory that I know who will fix my issue? Is it mandatory that I populate that, okay, this team has to fix the issue or no?
Not really, not necessarily. But like for password, it might go to level 1 support, and they think it's an Azure credentials or something, so it might go to level 2. I don't have to know it's level 2. It's just going to get fixed as good enough. But I need to know it'll take some more time because it's going to level 2 support, right? That's how I see it.
Perfect. So can I say as an end user, I don't have to know which team will fix my issue? If you know, yeah, good enough. I can't deny that. If you know, obviously it is good. But it is not mandatory for you to know the detail. Okay. So that's about that. Now, The next question over here in this case is, who all within a company should be able to create the incident? So as I said, employees. What about the customers? Like, what's the vision of a ticketing tool? Who all should have access of it? So always remember, guys, the scope of the tool is that it's only to be used by the employees of a certain company. If you are working for the ABC company, we are saying, okay, the employees of the company, they will be using the tool when they seek, when they need certain help from the organization. So that is about. Okay. Now, we will have an overview. We'll go in depth of it of all these in some time. What is problem? When do you create a problem? Anyone, any idea?
When there are too many issues, it becomes a problem. As in, if let's say out of 1,000 employees, 400 people couldn't access or log into the account, that becomes a problem. The impact is larger.
Perfect. Anyone else wants to add anything?
Yeah, if there are multiple incidents of the same issue, then we convert incident into a problem.
Perfect. Who should be allowed to create a problem then? So before that, okay, just one thing, I'll make it generic. So yeah, as you guys said, if multiple incidents of the same kind are there, if multiple issues of the same kind have been created in the company, that's where we are converting those multiple incidents into the problem record, correct?
Yeah.
Now, second question, who all should be allowed to create a problem? This conversion of multiple incidents of the same kind into a single problem should be done by who all?
Service desk team.
Okay, can be one of it. Who
Or
else?
anyone who have ITL and yeah, mostly service desk team.
Anyone else wants to add something?
I think as admins, we would also create it and send an intimation out to everybody.
Yeah, we as an admin. Okay, what else? So one is service desk, one is admin. If I generalize, what it will be? Should end user be able to create problem?
No.
So can I say in this case that technicians, whatever role they have doesn't matter to me, but the technicians, they should be able to create a problem. Others who are new to these, I know it will not be making much sense, but yeah, remember these terminologies. When we'll be seeing the application on the platform level, it will make sense more to you, but remember these terminologies. Maybe make a note of it or a notepad, maybe mug it up either way. Familiar the way it is for the people who have used the tool earlier. So for others who are new, first thing what I told, incident means I'm facing certain issue, then I create an incident. Problem means when n number of people, when more than one person is facing the same issue, facing the same incident, then we are converting their multiple incidents into a single problem. Anyone, any question till here? Everyone all good? Abby, Olivia, Ramesh, Sridevi, Vedika, everyone good?
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you. Lata?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Olivia, Ramesh? Sridevi, all good?
Understand. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Next application, change. We'll cover all these applications tomorrow, guys. My instance is in sleep, so I just thought I should not keep you holding like that. So that's why I'm doing like this. What is change, guys? What do you mean by change? People who knows the tool or have your understanding, what is the literal meaning of change? What comes to your mind?
Deployments, revisioning of softwares, upgrades. We use a change management tool, change management request.
Perfect.
That's how I use it. So
Perfect. Anyone else wants to add something?
I think change means, for example, if a particular server we need any access, maybe root access or something like that, we need to create a change ticket, right?
Okay.
Maybe version upgrade or anything.
Okay, perfect.
upgrade to things also can be a upgrade. I mean, I know in ServiceNow we don't have database, but if there is an upgrade to other integration softwares in ServiceNow, we might create a change or just upgrade
Okay.
requests for any softwares.
Perfect. Anyone else? So can I say change is nothing but when org level, any kind of change has to happen. As you guys said, let's say some software upgrade, let's say some application is getting enhanced as part of my change. Let's say a server was down and we are trying to restore anything in the org level, any application in the org level, if we are changing. To track it, we are creating a change application. To track it, we are creating a change record. Who all should be allowed to create a change? End user or technician? What is the minimal stuff there? What is the minimum access? End user level access or technician level access? Anyone?
Technician.
Perfect. Should end user not be able to?
No.
Okay.
I would say role based. I mean, I say that because I don't know if testers are called end users. They also create change requests. So it's probably role based.
So they are called technicians. The people who you are targeting, they are actually called, in terminology, they are called technicians.
Okay.
So yeah, correct. That is a minimal role required to create a changes. The minimal access required. It is called as the technician. Only the technicians will be allowed to create a change, and end user, regular user, will not be able to create the change. Okay, so that's that. What is service catalog? Service catalog we use when we need certain offering from the company, when I need certain new product from the company. That's where I'll make use of the service catalog. So always remember, service catalog is nothing but a new offering if I want to request from the company. Like, let's say I need a printer access. Let's say I need a laptop. I need a maybe any software access or whatsoever. So for making a product request, you will be making a request under service catalog. So when said so, who all should be allowed to make a service catalog request? End user or technician?
end users.
Perfect. Why so? Can you elaborate a bit on that?
So in service catalog means if there is a new hire, or if somebody need a laptop or mobile or anything, so they can raise a request. So, and all the end users should be able to raise a request. So that's why all end users can access the service catalog.
Perfect. So service catalog is a platform through which anyone can anytime make any product request. So that's why the access of service catalog will be there to everyone. Yeah, so that's that. So that's all about the key application. Anyone any query till understanding of these? Anyone any questions so far? Guys, I'm still waiting for everyone to complete your enrollment. Please do it before tomorrow's session, because yeah, we are targeting to start the session properly after the enrollment. Tomorrow after your enrollment only will be continuing the session. People interested, please make the enrollment. We are done with all the demos now. So yeah, please do it and then join tomorrow's session. Anyone any question on that? I can surely help you, but we need enrollment before tomorrow's session. Anyone any question on that? I hope all of you, anyway, you are part of that WhatsApp group and you know who is the admin. It's Srinivas. So you have to talk to him. Please no excuse. Please talk to him once. Give your confirmation. We are almost a week done with the demos. So I think I'm good now. No more demos. I need confirmation from all of you. We'll continue tomorrow after the enrollment. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.